Now second definition for a function. Second definition doesn't mean that we are having two different definitions. Second definition means that I am going to give you once again a definition, whichever you feel easy for you, that is okay. Okay. So a definition with a little bit change of language. Now a relation from a set A to a set B is said to be a function a relation from a set A to a set B is said to be a function if every element of set A has one and only one image in set B. Now there can be a question from your side that sir, this is the same definition which you have written earlier, second part, okay, but now what I am writing extra, that is a little bit change of language. Okay. Now if f is a function from A to B and A comma B belongs to F, then Fa is equal to B. This is the new thing. Okay. If f is a function from A to B and A comma B belongs to F, then Fa is equal to Fb. Now here an interesting thing is there, where B is called the image of A under F, and A is called the pre-image of B under F. So this was the thing which I wish to take it in your knowledge, that in some books there can be two words, that is image and pre-image. So image and pre-image should also be very much clear to you. That's why I have given you a second type of definition.